Okay, YouTube, so what I have here is a rock slider that my cousin, he got off a wrecked 4Runner. It's another 4th gen 4Runner like his. So what I'm doing here today is he wants me to install this into his bad boy here. So I've already cut the legs. What's good about round tube rock slider is that they're pretty much universal, and you can, once you cut out the legs, you can arrange them in any angle you want. That's what's good about this type of rock slider setup. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. I'll show you the side I've already mocked up. I've already mocked this up, tacked it up, and I am going to be welding it on. Not welding it on, but welding it up. I've tacked the legs, and we are going to, I'm going to pull that out and I'm going to weld that up. Okay. So then after that, my cousin's going to paint that rock slider after I weld that rock slider up. While he does that, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to do this one.
That sizzling sound, yeah.
Rừng đi mò ta lo nhỏ ý lên cụ lưu chết xe to cụ lưu cầm bao của cha có chỉ bỏ cụ bao tia có gió chỉ ta lo khi này nó chỉ mua ý rõ sơ cha mà nó cụ nhỏ ý lên cụ đã chỉ lo họ cha chỉ sống cụ lưu xe cho chỉ tao có gió Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ Can't move
guys, so this is what we've done so far. That is permanently welded on. Looks really nice. As you can see here, looks awesome. We actually did a very good job. Welded there, and there, and there. So, there. And I'll show you what we're doing over here. We are mocking this on. Okay, we're gonna tack on the legs so that we can proceed with the final welding. Okay, so we're done with the mounting the rock sliders. So now we're gonna do a maiden test on the rock sliders here. So as I always say, the name of the game here is to be able to lift your vehicle up using the outer rail here. Okay, and the reason why you want to do that is in the event that you should have a failure on your tire here, and you need to change it. Basically, you use a high lift jack to lift it from right here, and it should hold. So here we go. Ooh, it's going. Okay, so the tire is free spinning now. See that? Okay, so we're going to test the doors. We have to be able to open the door. Ha! So we still have 2 fingers left. That's awesome. And here, ha! We still have almost a finger left, half a finger. So, it's done. Okay.
Rong đi mọc tan lo nhỏ ý lên cụ lưu chết xe to cụ lưu cầm bao của cha có chỉ bỏ cụ bao tia có gió chỉ ta